Hi everyone, welcome back to Small Engine Repair Tutorial. Today we have this Bridgestone Straton 450 series engine, which I picked up this one from the roadside last November, and we'll have a look at the video. Okay, so we're here. You see the lawnmower there? It's just right on the left, just right there, and we'll have a look at what the condition of this mower, and let's go. Okay, let's have a look at the mower. So it's a pretty good shape. Doesn't have the fuel cap. It has it's a Victa Classic. It's a 450 148cc engine, and I think it's still in a very good condition. And it also comes with a catcher, so which is pretty good. And it's nice as a complete with the wheels and the knob. Okay, let's see if we can. This will have a. I think this one needs rebuild of the carburetor as well. Can't take it out. This will blocks the oil cover, the lid, and it needs to replace the fuel cap. Still have a very good compression and catcher as well. And blade possibly needs some replacement. No leak, no fuel, no oil leak on the crankshaft. So let's take it. Okay, let's take it. So I really would like to fix this mower because we don't have mower to use, and our grass is really long. Okay, let's have a look what's the problem with this engine. Okay, let's have a look at the carburetor. So the throttle is still in good shape, and I don't want to save time not to rebuild this carburetor because of its age. So all the dirt's coming in, so I need to rebuild the carby. So because this one was left under the rain without the fuel cap, so you expect that all the dirt's coming inside. So I won't try to fill with fuel and start engine. Definitely we need to rebuild this carburetor first. And looking in this side here, so we have the muffler, it's already come loose, so I need to replace the muffler. Oh, it's broken, so we need to take this part out. And let's have a look at the oil. It's pretty empty and dark, so we also need to change the oil. So from my last video back in November, the blade underneath is in bad shape. Also need to replace this part here, and possibly the front plastic which hold the wheels. So first is going to rebuild the carby and clean the whole mower. Okay, we need to remove the carburetor. So just need to remove this air filter base cover. Okay, may need to replace the air filter as well. So using the M13, need to socket to remove this part here. So need to remove the choke cable or throttle cable. So using M10, need to remove this bolt here. Now I can pull the carburetor and remove the linkage from here. So I'm going to clean this carburetor and also clean the engine, and we start rebuilding this carburetor. Okay, we need to take the spring out. So this governor spring and also the linkage, need to take this one out for cleaning. Okay, we need to remove the blade carrier using the M14. So I need to remove the carburetor. Here we have the assorted parts. We have some spare parts for Vita. These are all reconditioned parts. We just take 2 blades, 2 spacer plastic, 2 washers. So here we need to install the washer. Need to install the blades. Then we have the washer at the back. We also have nuts. Then the washer. Then bolt. Oh, sorry, the nut. Okay, let's clean the carburetor. So we have this old Froment gasket. We need to replace this one with a new one. So we'll just take this O-ring here and the filter. So we also have the spring. So this one we need to replace this one as well. So just spray all the nozzles and holes. We can remove this one if you want. Okay, we'll try to remove the nozzle or the main jet. So we can clean the main jet as well. Okay, let's assemble the carburetor. Okay, we'll install the nozzle or the main jet. Push the venturi a little bit because it's not aligned inside. Okay. So best to install this one first. Then the retainer. Make sure that we align this one when you push it in. So while pushing it in, make sure that it won't damage the bulb. Now we install the spring, then the mesh, then we have the gasket, then the diaphragm, just make sure that we line up the holes It's a new O-ring. Then we have a new fuel cap. So this is our reconditioned carburetor. Okay, now we install the blade. Here we have two plastics and two clips. So we'll just place the linkage. So with the old oil, I already flush the old oil with the oil flush. So the oil for this one is Mono 30. Let's see how it goes. I need to adjust the ribs, so I need to access the governor spring. Let's start again.